So the Fallout countdown finally hit 0. After weeks of speculation, theories about Fallout 3 or New Vegas Remastered, everyone wondering what Bethesda and Amazon had in store for us, we finally have our answer. And honestly, it's kind of what most of us expected, not what we hoped for. So back over here on the Fallout Explorer website, we can see now that up here in the top right, the penthouse is now available, becoming available after the Season 2 finale aired last night on February 3rd. So when we come here, the penthouse, it's a 3D explorable location. I guess it's kind of similar to the room in New Vegas and the show. Okay, looks like we do have some sounds here. So we can walk up to the balcony overlooking where Mr. House's computer is. We see Gamora in the background. We see tops. We have some nice chandeliers. Let's see. We cannot go in this door. We can come down the steps, though. Click the screen to activate. It says, welcome to the penthouse in New Vegas. Enjoy the spectacular pre-war views while you explore behind the scenes of the creatures, casinos, and costumes from the series. So, not influenced by the game at all, just by the TV show itself. So we have, and I'm not going to go in too far into detail of this, but we can see the cold fusion diode chamber here on the left. Looks like a beggar says, beat me up for caps. On the right, we have the Lucky 38 with all of our drinks. And then we have a Deathclaw head in the fourth one. But other than that, it looks like we can actually look at the diode. Let's take a look at this. Is this interactable at all? Core not activated. I wonder if there's a way to activate the core. Let's see, manual, auxiliary. There's a button right here. Looks like we should be able to push it, but let's go back to the desk. So exactly what we expected. No remaster announcement, no shadow drop. But here's the thing. The Fallout community has been asking for remasters for years, and with the success of the TV show and the demand for the remasters, we may actually get them sooner than expected. Imagine some of these iconic locations: Rivet City, the Jefferson Memorial, the Washington Monument, rebuilt with modern graphics, updated lighting, improved textures, and more. Fallout 3 is nearly 18 years old at this point, and New Vegas just turned 15. A new generation of players deserve to experience these RPG masterpieces, and longtime fans would love a reason to come back to them more and more. So what do you think about all of this? Were you disappointed by the countdown, or were your expectations more realistic than mine? Drop a comment below. I want to know if you still think a Fallout remaster is coming, or if we're all just wishful thinking at this point. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.